Today I've got a quick one for you on how to remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp. And it's unfortunately really simple. You don't. The only current way to remove Meta AI is to delete your current version of WhatsApp and search for sites that have a version before the Meta AI update. There are a lot of videos showing a toggle to remove this feature. Sadly, they are outdated and that option is no longer available in the current version of WhatsApp. If you do decide to download an older version of WhatsApp, please make sure to back up your chat data before uninstalling your current version. Also, consider if the source is trustworthy. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day.